Here we go, guys. Another exciting night tonight. Whoa, what's gonna happen tonight? Well, exciting thing happened yesterday, and kind of good news. Kind of good news. Let's go and prepare the rest of this while you guys come in for yet another exciting night of crypto. And also, here we go, guys. Another exciting night tonight. Whoa, what's gonna happen tonight? Well, always manage to exciting thing happened yesterday, and what's kind of good news. Kind of good news. Let's prepare the rest of this while you guys come in. Yeah. Keep quiet. Okay, keep quiet. I'm gonna adjust my background here. Come back. Choose virtual background. Let's go and see my virtual background there and see what it's all about. Coolness, guys. Coolness. Let's see. Yeah, we have everything ready, and we are waiting for 8:30. 8:30 is the time, guys. 8:30 is the time, and hello. And we are gonna have a class, okay? Trading like a millionaire. So if you haven't signed up, please sign up. I'm gonna put more in my socials starting tomorrow. I'm not gonna advertise this. I'm just experimenting with something. So 9:30 to 4 Saturday, 6 August. Okay, yeah. So it's something that I'm just continuing what I did last month. Again, I think it was spot on, right? Spot on, awesome. So now it's time to change our gears to gear 2. No, not everything's going to be smooth, but yeah. We have a reason to look forward and to do cool things, okay? Cool things. Now, let me send some things here. Send it out, and let's just wait for the rest to come in because this is an exciting day today. Copy. If you have time, come in. Let's go here. One moment, let me change this. Let me change this. Yeah, what's it going to be? What is going to be tonight? If you have time, type in. Let me put the link, okay? Let me put the link of our session on Saturday so that everything is easy, everything is in perspective. So that you guys know what to do. Where are we, right? Where are we? Yeah, we are in a very good position. We are in a very good position there. So there it is. No, not that. Not seem to get it here. Hey, copy this, man. You guys like copy this for me. Copy this because it's, yeah, it is a Zoom link. So just go on the Zoom link, guys. Go on the Zoom link. It's HTTP. Yeah. HTTP, right? For bit.ly, yeah, kind of like that. I don't know, man. I really don't know, but yeah, put it there. One moment, let me turn this on again. Oh man, there it is. Moment on setup here. Shut up. And we are almost ready to go. No, we are far away ready to go. So just relax. We are still going to be here and start around 8:15, 8:20. Because the GDP is today going to be at 8:30. But now it's quite confusing, right? But again, I think the markets are changing. The market bias, at least to me, is kind of changing, you know, guys. So you guys got to be very careful here. I have warned you about this already, so please be forewarned. Here, that things could be changing, okay? here, here. Do or die, guys, do or die. It is do or die, but maybe it's more of a do. Since yesterday's FOMC, right? So yeah, but let's not spoil it. Let's not tell everything. Let's see first where we are. Okay, let's see first where we are now. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And maybe I should change my screen to daily FX, right? Let's go change my screen for a while before the rest of the guys come in. Let's go here and go ahead. Where's my daily FX? There it is. So there it is, guys. So what happened last night? Apparently a very good FOMC, right? Let's see this. I need to be here also. You know, I need to be daily FX live team. Let's test this. Does it work? Because when they come out, it has to work. We're gonna see this live and see how this goes. Let's see first. Let's go and see what is incoming here. Ooh, daily FX, followed by wifey. Okay, fine. Yeah, S&P rallies to 6 weeks high. Okay, we'll go to this and then we should be ready here with the GDP. So 6 week high, S&P broke. Ooh, broke 4K. Had to take a lot of tries, right? So this is the thing, guys. It does take a lot of tries, and it's not going to do it at once, but hey, it's not going to do it at once, but when it does it, it really, really does it. So that's cool. I think that's really, really cool now. Let's go here. And good evening, everyone. So you're suspense mode, right? Good evening. And everything is going well. Good evening as cryptos pump. And I collect my condominium. No, I collect my luxurious office at Pavilion. Okay, one of the most luxurious places in KL on Embassy Road next week, which was bought by Crypto. Thank you, Neo. It's not a cryptocurrency called Neo. Okay, Neo. It's called the Chinese Ethereum at that time. Let's see this. Let's see this here. And let's go here now. Let's go here. And are we ready to start? Well, yes. Well, welcome everyone back again. Things are going on well. So this resonates, right? Which is why we have another class on the 16th, the 6th of August. Trading Like a Millionaire. Sign it. It's for everyone actually, because this end of next month, I'm having my first class for my students on trading. So this is kind of putting everything together so that you guys know my biases, right? I have a bias. I think the bias was right. I mean, those who were in the past class in June know that I kind of gave this signal, right? I said that it would take 3 weeks. And after 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I said, yeah, I think that would happen. I think this will happen now. If you want to know what the signal is, come on the 6th of August, because you got to know my bias first, okay? I trade a certain way during a bias. If I am bullish, or I think there's going to be a bull run, a multi-year bull run, I buy the dips. If I think there's going to be a multi-year bearish run, I sell the rallies. That's all it is, okay, guys? So let's look at this, what happened last night. Kind of an interesting night, heads up. Jobless claims due at this. Yeah. We want to know GDP, guys. We want to know GDP, Q and Q. And we want to know all this. Let us see Forex Factory. Now, we want them to go below. So Q1 was minus 1.6. I think it's going to be negative. But it's quite funny that Wall Street can say they're trying to change the definition. They're trying to change the definition of a recession. Now, that's great. That's great for us, right? So let's see, right? Minus 1.6. Come on, guys. Don't give me 0.4. It's going to beat that. These guys shouldn't give us too high. I don't think they adjusted that. Okay, that's not good. They should adjust it lower so that when we get much better it goes up. Please don't give us fake expectations of this. So now everybody's being a financial expert, sending me 0.75%. Yeah, I didn't know that, guys. Come on, guys. So as if I'm the non-financial expert here. So let's wait for this now. Let's see quotes. That's euro, that's FX. 0.01. USD JPY has fallen down from a cliff. Literally, guys, literally it has fallen down from a cliff. Hopefully we can see something, but you guys want to know crypto, man. Crypto has like gone up. BTC has reclaimed its weekly SMA, right? 22.8. 22.8 was so critical. 22,800. It went below that. It's gotten that back after yesterday. Ethereum, as I said, I'm becoming to sound like a boring nutcase because I've been waiting for this for so long to hit minimum target of 1.7. And then I'll start selling some of my DCA off. Okay, so these are some things that I DCA, but there are the other coins that are doing very, very well. Also, it's not Dogecoin. Let's see what's happened in the past 24 hours. But we got to congratulate our student Chef tonight. Please congratulate Chef, okay? You guys got to know how, are you guys congratulating Chef? Please congratulate Chef, guys. Please congratulate Chef tonight, okay? Because for Chef, look at Lido, look at Celsius, Synthetics, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic. My God, this is getting the Ethereum from the miners, right? In September is the date. I just gave you a tip, you know. The merge is in September. I gave you a very important tip. Who knows what it was? And don't ask anymore. I just gave you an important tip there. But I want to see what, yeah, congratulations to Chef. He didn't sell his optimism, which was an airdrop. Airdrop means free money for those of you who are new. They got free money for this, okay? They got free money for this. It's over $1 now, so that's kind of good because even had you sold, had you know, it was so, you know, the networks, people were selling, the networks were kind of congested that day. You probably would have sold at 120, 130, maybe even 140, okay? So for it to be 110, it is coming to a reasonable selling zone very, very soon, okay? So that's good. Congratulations, Chef. Hey guys, congratulate Chef. Can you guys like congratulate Chef? So I also want to go here. So yesterday was good. 0.75 was what they expected. It was very high because that was the jumbo was in June. 0.75. 0.75 is good. So a lot of people read news here, right? Why crypto spiked in the face of bad news? Because what do you mean? It was good news because people were still scared that they might do 1%, right? To reel in inflation, but they're just moving forward, okay, associated with the pullback of investment activity. But Bitcoin go back 75 with experts explaining the markets may have been initially bracing for much worse. Yes, they were expecting 1%. So July 27, 8%, 22.5 mark. Yeah, that's it. 32.5, 22.8. That is the SMA, weekly SMA. Many other top and Polkadot double-digit gains. Okay, CEO said bullish rate hike on Twitter because it was not one. Markets love going out on Fed days even when the decision is to be tough. Powell is particularly skilled at delivering bad news. Yes, investors were expecting worse. US dollar falling. My God, look at that US dollar falling. Good news for people in Malaysia, Thailand. What is do you guys know what the exchange rate is, guys? What is the ringgit? RM USD to ringgit. I don't know, it was like 4.45. Has it gone down to like 4.43? Let's see what it is. So this is some relief rally news, okay? Relief rally news. Let's see what we are now. Is it 4.43? I did convert some from my gains, or still from it. Well, Malaysia hasn't improved. Duh. Well, Malaysia has not improved. What was Malaysia below that? I mean, we were worse than this. Are you kidding me? You got to be kidding me. Like, we're like, Man, we're like we're still 4.45. We must have been 4.47 yesterday because I brought in some money in from Singapore, my profits, and it's like, whoa, that was a good rate, man. That was a good rate. Let's view charts here. Wait, yeah, probably a little bit. Okay, it was like, bam, 4.46 below that. What was it? Was it 4.47? 4.45, yeah, almost 4.46. That's okay. So we are quite high there. Anyway, it was a bullish rate hike rally. 19K with no signs of accumulation. You want to buy, go ahead. Don't regret it and cry if the markets make new lows, which is likely. Yeah, I agree. Large rate hikes would be uncommon. This time, Jay Powell saying yes, the increase may slow. Next time be 0.5, 0.25, right? So this is what really pushed the markets up yesterday, okay? So now it's like, what is the definition of inflation? Let's see. The US is about to release its GDP data, a big stress test. Any negative sentiment could wipe out gain. So let's see, okay? This is going to be exciting here. Let's go and see. Is it going to be a recession or not? They're trying to change the definition of recession, you know, which is kind of weird, which is really, really weird, okay? Jay Powell and all is trying to change the definition of inflation, the US of A, because 2 quarters of negative GDP growth is technical recession. The recession has to be given by the US Bureau of Statistics, okay? And they're trying to change this. I don't know what they changed it to. Okay, let's see. Recession USA. It's kind of funny. It's all over the internet, all the memes there. The definition is even controversial. See that? Change the definition of recession. It's so funny because maybe they're like, hey, there's going to be, now they know there's going to be an election in the US this year, right? Midterm election. So they better get their act together because people do not like to vote in a recession. I don't know, is Malaysia in a recession? I don't know, guys. Many in a recession, and now they're trying a more critical outlook, shifting its goalposts. What is the White House calling it? Immediately after GDP numbers were released. Yeah. Unlikely in the first quarter this year, even if followed by another GDP decline in the second quarter, indicates a recession. Okay, economic activity, you have to look at the data holistically. This is so funny. Let's see what it does to the markets tonight. Okay, but markets are doing very, very well tonight. I know you guys want to look at BTC here. Let's see the BTC charts. Where are you, BTC? That's Ethereum, guys. Let's see the NASDAQ and all, okay? Let's see this holistically because they named it holistically. Let me put it here again. There it is. That is based on the daily here. Look at that golden pocket. Guys, look at this. You guys know we draw this. I have not come back again on August 6th. I'm not going to draw this again. I did drawn this for you, okay? I did drawn this for you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Stopped on this line. It stopped correctly at the golden pocket. So are we up here yet? Yeah, we're here. So it's like 22,941. Even these guys are getting nervous now. Okay, just look at that, following the trend line. Let's go to a 4 hours so that it's more exciting. And we'll also look at the S&P. Wow, look at that. Just after that print, just after that print of the Fed, look at that. Let's go and see what else. Let's go and see the NASDAQ. Have you guys been following my Twitter? I suggest you guys follow my Twitter also, right? Because I did put this in my Twitter. I didn't take the trade. Silly me, maybe I was scared also. I was quite scared of all these things. And look at that, even it reacted at the golden pocket and went down. So you guys that have not been following my Twitter should be following my Twitter here. Is it here? This is so suspense, right? Is it here, guys? Is it here? So anyway, let's see what Daily FX has to say. Yes. Biggest 6-week high on the back of 75 basis points. Raises to 75 in line with market expectation. Increases in target range will be appropriate. Yeah, more hikes, but more appropriate or smaller? So you guys want to get this because I did put it in the, I kind of put like whatever comes to my mind. I should have taken the trade, but there'll be more other things. Let's see where the market is really going the next few days. Definitely next week is probably a day. I did say that this week will kind of be like negative, like, and it was negative in the beginning. And look at this. So nice reaction at the golden pocket. It did go down on Tuesday, right? But look, it kind of defended itself on the golden pocket. And that's why what I taught you on Sunday, the golden pocket is so important. You guys can go and see the video on the golden pocket inside the channel. Okay, so again, the golden pocket reaction is so important. Is that the point of control? I have no idea what that is. That looks like the point of control, right? So again, nice. But I want to know if we're bullish. But we probably are. But again, before we take any trade, and I'm definitely can't wait to take a trade, but I must be patient. It's yeah, probably will use my patience more. Okay. So again, we are nearly there, guys. We are nearly there. And let's see what's happening here. You guys want to see what's happening here, right? Like 2300. Are you serious? Let's see what's happening on the NASDAQ. Let's see here, okay? Okay, 4023. Now this is the past. I don't think this has the current one. Yeah, this has the current one, right? 12548. I just want to see this, guys. Let's see here. Is it within expectation or didn't meet expectation? Daily FX Live. Let's go. What happened now? What happened now? What happened now, guys? What happened now, guys? Let's see here. What's happening here? Okay, now, like, man, 4015, 12548. Okay, 4015, 12548. What's happening on Twitterverse? What's happening? Initial jobless claim, GDP, 11 seconds. 11 seconds to go. What? Where is it? I thought it's supposed to be there. Yeah, it's already there. It's only a couple of more seconds to go. We keep on pressing this because we don't know what else to do. And just keep on pressing this, right? And then we go down here. We got to look what is happening. Advance, minus 0.9. Okay, good. So are we like in a recession? That's kind of bad news, but this was already higher, guys. So what's up with that? What's up with that? We are in kind of a recession, right? Are you guys looking at the price of Bitcoin? So this is bad. So we are in a recession. Confirmed. Yeah, that's what I like. You know, just get it confirmed and then just improve the next quarter and we'll go up, right? So why do you want to hide from all of this? Oh, it went down. Okay, it went down. Look at that. It was a 23, right? Okay, went down there. There it is. Went down. Yeah, I told you it was negative, right? Now I'm thinking like, hey, can I go into the S&P 500? What did the S&P 500 do? But remember last week when it went down first and then it went up. So definitely looking for the dips here. 4013, that didn't budge anything. That didn't budge. Hello, that's 4013. What are you doing? Why aren't you budging? Are you like late? Deluded by wishful thinking. Yeah, that's not doing anything, guys. That's not doing anything. Let's go to main page here. Okay, yeah, this is going down. Okay, this is going down. That, whoa, you serious? It went up there like, wow, are we like serious here? Went to 12.6, my God, it was here like 12, right? 12.2, went down to even 12.1. Went down to even 12. Wow, went up 400, 500 points and it's down now. US currency is, don't watch the weekly, okay? That's just me doing something horribly stupid again. Let's go 4 hours on the US dollar index. That's going down, right? It's no good because we are in a recession there. Where are we now? Well, that's not doing anything good there. That's not doing anything good. This is down. Let's go here again. So yeah, it is a recession. Let's see whether they say, they're probably going to say it's not a recession, you know, because they always say this. So crypto markets are down for a bit. Well, it wasn't that bad as that day, right? I mean, that day was really, really bad, you know, when it had the inflation at 9%. And that was so terrible, right? So let's see what these guys say now. No, I don't want to see my golden pocket. Yeah. What does it mean here? Do you have it on the usual daily FX page, guys? I'm going to just go daily FX. What does it mean? Recession. Although they probably won't say because they want votes. This is the good thing about having something in an election year, that kind of they have to do something, okay? Nothing here yet, only on the 5 things. So let's see the news from Yahoo News. What's contracts for second straight quarter? Okay, let's go and see. So contracted 0.9%. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, why did you say annualized pay is 0.4? That's silly. That's why they wanted to change it, because they know it would be negative. Okay, so yeah, so it is already a recession. Powell, slow down. You put this thing in recession. Contracted for the first time in the second quarter since 2020 when the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, this is the first time. So that's why I think the reaction is now going down, right? Let's see what Forex is doing. We also have Forex here. Let's see this. Can I see this? Oh yeah, I see Euro USD going up, Japanese yen going up. Yeah, 2134 because going down, right? So again, let's go and see the markets here. Ethereum 1631. Well, Ethereum's, well, it went back up. Okay, guys, it went back up. So it's like, duh. Well, as that day, you know, you'll only know when the markets open, right? It went back up 22.9, so it's still above that, right? Hey, NASDAQ went back. Don't do that. I thought I wanted to buy the NASDAQ. Like, what are you doing up here? Like, don't do this. Don't do this, okay? So what else do we want to hear? Okay, let's see this index. Fear index, okay, you want to see this, you guys got to go have to see the fear index, okay? So we are improving. Can you look at this? Look, it went up and then it went down because they're scared of the Fed, right? And then now it's back up again. Yeah, right. Let's see the max here, the longest period ever, guys. Congratulations for all of you that made it and are still here to tell the tale. Assuming you didn't get burned and got liquidated, right? I don't know why you guys are getting liquidated. Yeah, this is no good. Coinbase is being investigated by the SEC. That kind of sucks. Plan ahead for algorithmic and non-cashback stable. So get them out of the equation. Does this mean Tron? Could mean Tron, okay? Kathy Wood sells all this. Zuckerberg unfazed about division loss. No problem, Zuck. Very expensive undertaking in the next several years. Virtual reality and metaverse division, Reality Labs. 7 straight quarterly losses, but he's willing to invest, you know, massive opportunity. Could continue for several years until virtual reality application and its metaverse platform are mature enough to tap into the massive opportunity worth billions of dollars. This is what I said. I really think metaverse are the next things, okay? Oculus line of VR headset. And if you know what I'm talking about, there is something here. Who's working with them? Seek, C-E-E-K. Some call it Keek, some call it Seek, and they're also working with Microsoft, right? 2.9 billion losses. So Zuck is still putting money here. Digital advertising, we're focusing on making long-term investment. Yeah, so they're focusing on making long-term investment on the metaverse. That is very, very good here. So that is really, 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 really nice here. Let me see here what's happening here enough. And let's go see the price of BTC again. Well, Ethereum seems to be going up. Still hasn't. Yeah, I got a 4-hour, right? I got a 4-hour. This is, I think this is the golden pocket on the 4-hour. Is it? So we're still not there yet. 1.7 here, right? I think we drew that line that day. If we broke this line, we should bring it to 1.7 around here. We are so close and yet so far. 1672. I don't like this. It better clear this or I'm so out. But not tonight. I think people are just reacting tonight. I think people are quite relieved because of yesterday. Now it goes up, goes down. US, Japanese yen, look at that, tried to go up, down again. Back here, 134.66, it's heading there. And look at the altcoins here. I also want to look at the altcoins because I want to see what they're doing here. I know, look at how much they've fallen, you know, like totally crazy, right? 589, my God. They've fallen from 1.6 to like 589, but look at here. They're attempting to make a breakout, came back into this box, and now we're attempting to make a breakout again. That's why you see all these altcoins doing quite okay. Quite okay. Let's go and see what it is like tonight. Yeah, 22.9, I know. Yeah, and today is also the day for the old coins, right? For the old coins here. Lido, Celsius, Unis, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, this is an old one. This is an old one. Bitcoin Gold, Neo, old one. Well, Cosmos is quite new. Ape is quite new. EOS is new, is old. So a lot of old coins are going up. Okay, so a lot of the OG coins are going up. That is typically of this. So again, we're gonna be back on this, right? Let's see what other news is available here. I just want to see what news is available here. Okay, so we have the result already. It is bad, but just wait until the market start. Then I'm sure you're going to see more news here, but this hasn't budged a lot. Okay, and second straight quarter, there's not so much excitement now. And as I said before, on August 6th, you will know my biases. And the thing is, I always have been saying this since the past couple of weeks. Okay, is that the markets are now trying to find good news. Before this, the markets were trying to find bad news, right? Trying to find good news. And that's why we must reset. And that's why it's good for me to reset you guys on August 6th. And for my students, we will be going back into trading because trading is not easy. We got to get it now until we come to the bull run cycle again. But I kind of like this, and I have good news for you on August 6th. Okay, we got to reset everything back. Let's go and see what else is happening here. What's happening? Oh, this is like what I'm most excited about. Let's see NFTs. Well, NFTs have gone down. You know, let's go and see NFTs. Well, NFTs are almost Ethereum has gone up. You got to wait until Ethereum goes steady. Okay, you really got to wait until Ethereum goes steady. Did I see the volume on NFTs have been so depressed? Only the big ones and the free ones are really doing anything. Okay, so let's see what the statistics are, because at the end of the day, the NFT is probably the same price in US dollars because Ethereum has gone up by so much, and naturally the floor would go down, right? So 16.89, Ausbrowski rated, Mutant Ape, YOLO Bunny, other deed. Well, this has gone down a lot. Bored Ape was 98, now it's 85. Potato Z, 0.8. Ledger, yeah, that was a good one. Doodles, Moonbirds, 20, Goblin Town. But really what I like is, you know, Web 3.0. I just want you to look at this, that people are creating so many things, you know. They created this coming using Blender, and this is so cool because actually I can share this, okay? And they also said here that it's time to forge the Clone X. I don't know what that is. See that? Forging time. What is that supposed to mean? I've ordered this already. One day I hope to wear it in front of you guys so that you guys are jealous of me, right? And who wants to touch this? Yeah, I know you guys don't want to touch me. I know you guys want to touch this, right? The first Nike hoodie in the metaverse that is forged. Cool. It's expensive, not worth it, but for me, it's kind of cool. Historic forging event. Yeah, it's history, guys. It's all about history. But look at this. This is what I'm most excited about, where I'm actually hiring someone to work on this. Okay, look at that. To actually work on this. And this is done using a software called Blender. This is so cool. Look at that. Just look at that. This actually, to me, the economy of the metaverse here or Web.3 is bigger than all the coins we can trade. Okay, coins we're trading are just a bonus. This is good. This allows us to make crazy gains. This allows us to understand the ecosystem. But in the end, This economy is much, much bigger, and there's so many exciting things happening, right? This is so cool. Can I put my Clonex? Say, look at that. Look at how they create that. Wow, how did you do that? Look at that. This is all done by the creators. Okay, this is all done by normal people. They're not artists, guys. They're just people like you and me. And you look at what's happening now. So this is cool. Yeah, this is all the people here. So this is so cool. And the software is already there. And best thing, the software is also free. In fact, one of my friends said, yeah, he's going to ask his son to actually focus on this software. Yeah, because go to Web.3, guys. Don't complain. Earn US dollars, okay? Doing this, you guys can learn US dollars like me, and then you start complaining less. Okay, please go and earn your US dollars, okay? That's the way to go. Let's go and see this, and then let's go and see some more things. I just want to go through some assets that I see. 4011. Okay, it's going down now a little bit. 12535. I want to see some other assets, okay? And if you want to know what I'm looking at holistically, August 11th, there, trading like a millionaire. Why don't you sign up? Let's go here. In front of you guys, right? So let's go here. M.easy Forex. No, I don't want that. I want to go to investing.com. Okay, let's go to investing.com. I want to see some assets here that I am also looking at for all this. Remember, we have to be quite holistic here. I know you guys want to see crypto. One moment, let's see in the NASDAQ and crypto. I'm looking to go into the NASDAQ again. Please look at my Twitter. I'll put it on Twitter. I should have gone in here. Even I got scared because of it. Yeah, it's capturing it again. Ethereum is 16, what? Let me guess 1625, is it? Sure, it's 1625. Minkum Poopy, yeah, 1629, 1630, sorry. Nothing much really going on, but I'd like to see things like this technical recession, okay? I don't know if it's a recession, but I'm happy that it's a recession. That means in the future, we can have lowered expectation, beat it, and the market can really fly. I mean, seriously fly like gap up kind of thing, right? Like yesterday, people were so afraid of 1%. They sold the market down, and then when Powell delivered 0.75, they were so happy. We need things so that, guys, we need things so that they this. Look at that. We need things. We need things, lowered expectation. So I hope this means a lowered expectation kind of thing. I'm going to look at this. Let's look at Nikkei. Let's look at TechDAX. I so like TechDAX because this is something that I use other than the NASDAQ. I either, I like to trade for indices. I like to trade the S&P 500 and Nikkei, lower volatility. High volatility would be the TechDAX. Okay, it is this, 3027. Show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, just fill the gap, right? Cool. That's kind of cool. Just fill the gap several times. Struggling at filling the gap there. I also get the NASDAQ and all that. I also like the Nikkei, right? So the Nikkei is one of my favorites. I think it's easier for me to do than the DAX. Let's go and see the Nikkei. And then I'm going to see something else. You guys want to see gold, right? Yeah, Nikkei. Whoa, 27.8. Are you serious, guys? Can you remember the time we bought this at 26.8? We bought this at 26.8. There's already 1,000 whatever points that is. Okay, so this is cool. Are we there near any? Wait, let me see this. Where did the Nikkei came from? One moment, guys. Oh, the Nikkei came from there. Big resistance here, 28. 28.3 is a massive resistance there, and then it's 30, right? So yeah, it kind of broke that line. Yeah, oh, okay, kind of broke that downward sloping line here. Those of you that like the Nikkei, it looks like it kind of broke that line here. So yeah, I would expect for things like this for retest and then go up. So maybe patience is a little bit required here. Next, I always like the GBP USD and the asset that I am really looking at closely to buy. I'm a weird guy, guys. I'm a weird guy. And in the session on the 6th, I'll show you another asset I'm looking at. Something like GBP USD, right? Let's go and see GBP USD. I like to do the easy things. A lot of people, they like to do the hard things. I like to do the easy. But conclusion is this, guys. Conclusion is this. I think the market is just finding a reason to go out. What I've been saying, I think the prediction by the great sage is true, and I'm going to go with that. What is it? Come on the 6th, okay? No point talking now. You're going to ask me too many questions, and I don't have time to answer that. Whoa, GBP, wow, look at that. Are you serious? Like, let's go for an hourly. That bar is too big, guys. That bar is really, really too big. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So even the GBP USD has been rising after falling like nobody's business for so long. When was this? This is like, man, 14.7, 14 of 7, okay? 14.7, and of course, if I'm not mistaken, I kind of like this. I like to trade easy things. I know you guys like to trade Forex. I cannot sleep if I trade Forex. I'm going to trade things like these that are much better for me to trade other than Forex. That was 14th, right? 14th of July. Hey, don't. What is that? It doesn't allow me this. Where's my 14th of July? Why is it blocking me? Wants me to pay. What the? Well, it wants me to pay, guys. Oh, man. It wants me to pay. What is this? It seriously wants me to pay. This is no good. Wants me to pay. Wants me to pay. Okay. But anyway, I kind of like Coco there. So, yeah. So, okay, guys. So, we just see what's happening. We're going to see you guys on Sunday. But again, don't forget on Monday. I don't think nothing is going to happen tonight. But I am looking on longing the NASDAQ, the DAX, all that. Okay. So, this is back up again. Okay. So, things are good. So, and we'll talk about cycles on August 6th. Don't miss it. I am looking for us, for my team to position on some alts also, guys. Okay, guys, see you later. Bye-bye. Any questions? Oh, before that, any questions, guys? Do we have any questions? Any questions? You can ask me here. Yeah, 20399. That's kind of exciting. What's exciting is they're coming back up, guys. They're coming back up. They went down here to 226, right? And then they said, that's nothing. We should have expected it. What are we doing here selling this? That sounds kind of dumb, right? And so we come back here and 1642, it is here. So yeah, it looks good. And as long as this goes down, things, whoa, 134.74. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. So wow, 165. So when this goes down, it is always very, very good. Forex is even going down, okay? And I think we are conforming to the cycle, which again, I will show you on August 6th, how to trade like a millionaire. I'll also show you that will be the opening to my Udemy course, which I am submitting. Just follow my socials, okay? Follow my socials. I put it on my Twitter also. My Twitter handle is that, @Inushuk. And I put things there. Hopefully I'll have some things more. I'm really rushing to get that course out so that at least the first course is there, guys. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Bye-bye. See you.